Yep. Do walking. Good job, buddy. Good. Boom. Daddy, turn you around.
We go back. Unless we stop to watch Sesame Street.
Hey,
Come on.
come to mommy.
Hey, buddy. Come on.
Oh, you're gonna watch TV while you do it? That's dangerous.
Bang.
Here's your laptop right there. Daddy help you?
Boom.
Should I get a back view? See you walking away?
Come around front.
Let's see. You are so cute, buddy. Good job. Pause. Need help? Your pants are falling down too. You're busting a sag almost. Walking, 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 walking. Hi. Good job. Oh, you're going to go down the hall? No? You're going to go over by the door? Boom! You need help? Just trying to light in the hallway. Daddy can help you in a moment. He's going to help you in one moment. Is this fun? Mama go down the hall too? Wow. Wow. You're doing great. You're doing really well. Oh, you're going to turn? I'm gonna You're doing really super, Allie. Okay. Can you get up on the carpet? No? Just gonna go alongside. Hey. Hi. Need help? Need help?
Do one more of that.
With all your toys all over the floor? Too occupied? Wow. Wow.
Stop.
Boom. Careful. It's a fun game. Okay, stop. And he's off. You're doing a really great job, Oliver. I'm very proud of you. Pretty soon you'll be doing it without your wagon. Hi.